Get tips on achieving and maintaining a great body through a natural supplement known as certain monohydrate. Majority of people nowadays are craving for muscular bodies these days as they are considered as beautiful. It has become common to associate a muscular and good-looking body with a healthy body, but getting those coveted muscles requires hard work. A proper workout every day in the gym is a must, not to mention sticking to a strict diet which no doubt requires resolve and discipline. When followed properly, it results in a great-looking and well-toned body. People who are familiar with the world of wrestling must surely know the kind of fitness the wrestlers maintain. A great example of supreme fitness is the Californian governor and former Hollywood superstar Arnold Schwarzenegger. To even dream about a body like that, regular and intensive workouts in the gym is a must. In addition to the workouts, supplements are also needed to improve the muscle tone and for aiding in further development. Bodybuilding supplements are available in plenty in the markets. These supplements help in gaining the required body in very little time. Creatine monohydrate is one among the most popular supplement available in markets across the world. A large number of bodybuilders testify to the fact that this supplement offers the best results in the least amount of time. During the 1966 Olympics, some athletes used monohydrate in order to get a good-looking body, and this was also the reason for them winning a medal at the Olympics. Creatine monohydrate was discovered in the year 1832 by a scientist belonging to the nation of France, which bears testimony to the fact that monohydrate has been in use for quite a lengthy period now, but it was only during the year of 1923 that the supplement was developed so as to store 95% of the product in the tissues. Even though creatine monohydrate was discovered in 1832, it was not until 1992 that monohydrate came to be used as a supplement for bodybuilding, as it was only in the year 1992 that the true potent of creatine monohydrate. How to lose weight. With the right food. Natural creatine monohydrate is produced by the following organs: 1. Liver, 2. Kidneys, 3. Pancreas. From these organs it is carried via the bloodstream to the muscle tissues. When the creatine monohydrate reaches the muscles, it is quickly converted into a metabolite called as creatine phosphate, which is high-powered. The metabolite produced in the muscles replenishes the adenosine triphosphate or the ATP molecules, which is known as the ultimate power source of the muscles. This supplement is certified to be 100% natural and can be ingested into the body through the food we eat, which is the main reason for its popularity over steroids and other bodybuilding drugs, which are not only toxic to the body but are also banned worldwide. On the other hand, creatine monohydrate is perfectly legal and can be used in any sporting competition without the fear of a ban. With proper workout and the right amount of creatine monohydrate ingested into the body, the muscle bulk of the body can be increased in just a couple of weeks. This supplement energizes muscles, enhances exercise routines, mainly during high-intensity workouts. It also helps in building high muscle strength and also aids in gaining muscle bulk faster than any of the other bodybuilding supplements. This aids in generating more energy for high-intensity workouts. In addition to all these, it also helps in repairing damaged or torn muscles quickly so that you can fall back into your routine faster. As it is clearly visible from this article, creatine monohydrate contributes greatly to muscle enhancement and endurance, and the best part is that it is perfectly legal.